What are you doing, you goober? Comes Mama, you're about to get in trouble.
Azalea, you're on the wrong side. Azalea, you're on the wrong side. Azalea. She still can't figure it out.
And I have a visitor. He's not getting off my car. Bird. Bird, go away. I'm gonna drive away.
You do realize that's for the birds and not for you.
You got up there, you got to figure out how to get down.
She's like, I'm gonna clean you. You're gonna sit still. She has both of her hands wrapped around.
Yes. Bang.
Kita quer? Kita quer? O que você quer? Tó.
Wanna try some? Here, baby, try that.
What are you doing, Chloe? Are you gardening?
She's gardening with Grandma.
Gardening with Grandma.
Oh my God. being nice. Oh, he's so happy.
Just get him a laser light. Play on the walls with him.
You're so funny.
Hey, do you want to go now? Huh? What's the matter? Come on, buddy. You want to go? Are you ready to go, man?
You know what the funny part is? There's no way that I not know it's you because she's behind the glass. You did this. Look at this.
Pumpkin, can you turn around? Pumpkin, look at me. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. There you go.
And then turn them back the other way. And back again.
You want it? This is you. Oh, you want to eat it. Hey, you want to eat it. Ready? Ready? You're going to go get it? Go get it. Why are you holding hands?